Hi everyone, I am Dr. P. Kalpana. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to find the inverse of a matrix. So let us consider a matrix A. A equals to A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. The inverse of a matrix is given by A inverse equals to adjoint A by determinant A. So first you should know what is adjoint of a matrix A. So the adjoint of a matrix A is the transposed matrix of cofactors of A. So how do you find the cofactors of a matrix A? So the cofactors, one formula is there, -1 whole power I plus j into minor of the element. Minor of an element gives a cofactor of A1. So here A1, it is in the first row, first column. So -1 whole power 1 plus 1. And the minor of an element. So minor of the, how do you get the minor of an element? To find the minor of an element, first delete the row and the column in which the element is present, and the determinant of the 2 by 2 matrix is the minor of the element. So what is the determinant here? So B2 C3 minus B3 C2. So -1 whole power 1 plus 1 2. So that is plus. So the sign conventions are, so this is positive, this is negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and the positive. To find the cofactors, you should remember these signs. So plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, and it's the minor. So that is, just delete the rows and the columns in which the element present and write the 2 by determinant of the 2 by 2 the matrix. So next, what is transpose of matrix? So transpose of matrix, by interchanging the rows and columns, you will get the transpose. Suppose if you take A equals to A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So this is a matrix. If you interchange the rows A1 B1 C1, A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. So this is the transpose of matrix, and it is represented by A power T. So the inverse of the matrix is adjoint A by determinant A. And how do you get the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is the transposed matrix of cofactors of A. And the transpose is by interchanging the rows and columns, you will get the transpose of the matrix. And how do you find the determinant? The determinant equals to the sum of the product of first row elements with their corresponding cofactors. Sum of the product of first row elements with their corresponding cofactors. So that gives the determinant of A. So with this the knowledge, I will solve one problem. Find the inverse of 1 1 3 1 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. So A is 1 1 3 1 3 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. So first find the cofactors of the matrix A. And A inverse equals to adjoint A by determinant A. So the cofactors. So how do you write the cofactors? The cofactor of 1 is, just delete the row and the column and write the 2 by 2 matrix. So this is for 1. Cofactor of 1 is 3 minus 3 minus 4 minus 4. And the first minus 1 whole per I plus j. So this is first row, first column. So this is positive sign. And the second, for second element, the negative sign will come, and just remove this column and this row. The remaining elements are 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4. And coming to the third, the cofactors of the third is 3 is 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. Next, coming to the element 1, the cofactors is the sign is negative sign, and remove this row and this column. The remaining elements are 1, 3, minus 4, minus 4. And this is positive. And remove the center column and this row. So 1, 3, minus 2, minus 4. And for minus 3, this is negative, and 1, 1, minus 2, minus 4. So next, coming to the minus 2. So minus 2, just delete this row and this column. So 1, 3, 3 minus 3. Sign is positive, and this is negative. The negative, and just delete this column and this row. So 1, 3, 1 minus 3, and next positive sign, and 1, 1, 1, 3. So these are the cofactor of the elements. So 3 fours minus 12. So minus 12, and this is 4 3s 12, minus 12. So minus 12 minus 12, minus 24. And for second one, this is minus 4, minus 4, minus 6. Minus 4, minus 6, minus 10, minus into minus, plus. So plus 10, and this is minus 4 plus 3 to 6, minus into minus plus. So minus 4 plus 6, 2. And coming to the next one, this is minus 4 plus 12. So 8, this is minus 8, and this is minus 4, minus into minus plus 6. Minus 6 plus 4, 2 plus 2, and this is minus 4 plus 2. So minus 2, minus into minus, plus 2. And this is minus 3, minus 9. So minus 12, and minus 3, minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6 into minus 1, 6. And this is 3, minus 1, 2. So these are the cofactors. So cofactors. Then find the adjoint of a matrix A. Adjoint of A is just transpose this matrix. So adjoint A is transpose. So minus 24, 10, 2, and this is minus 8, 2, 2, and minus 12, 6, 2. Now find out the determinant. So determinant of A is the product, the sum of the product of the first row elements with their corresponding cofactors. So what is the first row element? This is 1 into its cofactor. Its cofactor is minus 24. Minus 24 plus 1 into 10 plus 3 into 2. So this is minus 24 plus 10 plus 6. So minus 8. So determinant is minus 8. Now coming to the inverse. A inverse equals to adjoint of A by determinant A. So 1 by minus 8 into the adjoint A is minus 24, minus 8, minus 12, 10, 2, 6, 2, 2, 2, or minus 24 by 8, minus 8, minus 8 by minus 8, minus 12 by minus 8, 10 by minus 8, 2 by minus 8, 6 by minus 8, 2 by minus 8, 2 by minus 8, and 2 by minus 8. That is 3, 1 and 4 2s, 4 3s. So 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 and 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So this is the inverse of the given matrix.
If you feel this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon for quick updates.